Okay.
Hi, we're very excited to be here.
Hello, thank you for having us. My name is Mihai, and here's my partner Soina. And together we would like to present our proposal, VeterinaryDAO, an AI-assisted veterinary triage system.
Let's talk first about our goal. We envision a Web3-based freelancing online platform for veterinarians organized as a decentralized autonomous organization. What we aim is to create a platform that allows veterinarians to offer their services to clients in a decentralized manner, using blockchain technology to facilitate transactions and manage the organization of the platform. Just in a couple of words, the governance will be built on a blockchain protocol that supports smart contracts. The DAO would eventually use smart contracts to automate the process of scheduling appointments, tracking patient history and treatment, and distributing payments to providers. It could be funded through sale of membership tokens or through donations, and its operations could be overseen by a board of directors or other governing body.
Now, in the context of SingularityNet AI marketplace integration, our solution envisions to both deliver an AI service as well as integrate existing services in its solutions. The problems that we are aiming to solve are quite familiar and actually cover a wide range of situations, such as limited availability. We aim to remove the need for animals to be transported to a central location for treatment, as the centralized triage could make it easier for animals in remote or underserved areas to receive care. Also, overcrowding. By decentralizing triage, we could allow veterinarians to provide care more quickly and efficiently, as they would not have to coordinate with a central authority or wait for an animal to be transported to their location. And then last but not least, cost efficiency, as by eliminating the need to transport animals for treatment, we could also help to reduce the overall cost of care, making it more affordable for owners.
Our decentralized online veterinary triage system could offer a range of services to pet owners, including virtual consultations. Pet owners could connect with AI-assisted veterinarians online for advice and guidance on a variety of issues. They would also have easy access to specialists in various fields, and they could be accessed without having to travel to a specialized clinic. Virtual support groups. Pet owners could join online support groups to connect with others who are dealing with similar issues and get support and advice from veterinarians and other experts. And last but not least, educational resources. A decentralized online veterinary triage system could provide access to a range of educational resources, such as videos, articles, and webinars to help pet owners learn more about caring for their animals.
Now, on the technical side, in the context of integrating with the SingularityNet AI marketplace, we aim to do research as part of the ideation phase pool into developing an AI-powered chatbot, an AI-powered symptom checker, and virtual consultations. Now, the low-hanging fruit is, of course, virtual consultations, but the data resulting from that could feed the AI training of an AI-powered chatbot and AI symptom checker. What we still need for a good proposal, as the pool C in the ideation phase requires, is, of course, market research. We aim to gather and analyze data to inform the development of our product based on already existing similar services. When we wish to research into options for developing our own AI service for veterinary triage. Also, we wish to integrate existing AI services that are already on the SingularityNet AI marketplace. As a first objective during the ideation phase for integrating existing services, we aim to do a web test integration with the sample service, which basically does simple math functions. Further, while in pool A, hopefully during the next deep funding phase, we aim to use this sample service proof of concept in order to develop some web integrations with existing services. Now, on our vision for existing services, I'll let Sorina to talk about that.
First, we would like to test, and if not, and try to implement a printed text recognition. There is one already on the Singularity Net AI marketplace that we plan to test. The service receives an image of an English language printed text line and uses it.
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
And uses it as input for a pre-trained model and outputs the result of image recognition as a test sequence. For image segmentation, it associates a pixel of a provided image with a class label, such as identifying cars and other things. It's, of course, very useful for applications in medical imaging. And AI site, the service makes predictions using computer vision and machine learning techniques. Research into options for training AI site on custom data sets. They're all on the marketplace, and we just have to test them and see how well they integrate with our idea.
Basically, we wish to look into computer vision and the language interpretation in order to assist in order to assist doctors. As for the deliverables that we wish to promise in this phase, we wish to do market research, veterinary TRI-J assistance service research into options for developing our own service and integrating existing services, and the amounts you can see on the screen that we wish to tackle for these basic approaches. This is our team. My name is Mihai. She is Sorina. I have over 20 years of experience in cybersecurity, marketing, and web development, and she's a veterinary, a clinical doctor. These are actually our pets, and we thank you very much for
and we
your
hope
time.
We didn't bore you as much as this get us bored.
Thank you. That's great. Does
Do you
anyone
have any questions for us? Do you guys have any questions for us, or would you like to help us to refine our ideation phase?
I have a question. So you're saying you're a DAO. I'm not sure I understood which part of it is a DAO, because you obviously talked about the AI services.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, we are applying in the ideation phase of the defunding pool. So our vision is a DAO. We are not actually a DAO because two people does not make a DAO. But we envision to have a community in which the governance will be based on the model of a DAO, which of course is an ideological concept which is not yet well defined. We are all struggling to that, and nobody has yet defined perfectly a DAO and how that functions.
The time is up.
All right, thank you very much.